Good evening, viewers. This is the Wolf Times news desk. Tonight, a major change has taken place in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The AJK Assembly has removed Prime Minister Chaudhry Anwarul Haq through a no-confidence vote and elected Pakistan People's Party leader Raja Faisal Mumtaz Rathore as the 16th Prime Minister. Last night's vote was one-sided. 36 members supported Rathore, while only 2 voted against the motion. The assembly needed 27 votes to remove the Prime Minister, and the opposition easily passed that number. This no-confidence move happened because many lawmakers, especially from Pakistan People's Party, Pakistan Muslim League Noon, and the PTI Forward Bloc, were unhappy with Anwarul Haq's decision and leadership style. They believed he no longer had the support or trust of the majority. Some members also accused him of going against party lines and making political decisions without consultation. Over the last month, Pakistan People's Party built strong support by bringing Forward Bloc members to their side. This created a clear majority against Anwarul Haq, making last night's vote almost certain even before the session began. Chaudhry Anwarul Haq became Prime Minister in April 2023 with a large majority, but over time, political alliances shifted. Pakistan People's Party gained strength. Many PTI lawmakers broke away to form a Forward Bloc. Pakistan Muslim League Noon promised to support change, even though they said they wouldn't join the new government. The situation escalated when Pakistan People's Party formally filed the no-confidence motion on November 14th. President Asif Ali Zardari approved the move, clearing the way for today's dramatic vote. Rathore comes from a well-known political family. His father, Mumtaz Hussain Rathore, was also a Prime Minister of AJK. Faisal Rathore has served as a minister in past governments and is currently the Secretary General of Pakistan People's Party Azad Kashmir. He became more visible recently after leading talks with Awami Action Committee. His oath-taking ceremony is expected today with senior Pakistan People's Party leaders attending. As another new Prime Minister takes charge, making him the 4th PM in his assembly 5-year term, one big question remains. Will Faisal Mumtaz Rathore be able to bring political stability to Azad Kashmir? Or will the cycle of power struggles continue? For more updated news, keep following the Wolf Times.